Hey guys,
and welcome back to
the Virtual Reality Show,
where we talk about any and all things
related to virtual reality.
inside
virtual reality.
I'm your host,
PHIA. The Virtual Reality Show, my love and pride. 8 months ago in March, I changed my channel name from The Virtual Reality Show to PHIA, and that was a mistake. Yes, a big mistake. I thought long and hard about it and thought it was a great idea at the time, but this entire year I've spent now confused and tired and lost total direction of what I wanted when I started my channel in the first place. You see, YouTube isn't my long-term goal for myself. In fact, I think it would be dumb to assume that YouTube is a lifelong career. Even the most successful YouTubers can spiral down to irrelevance at any random moments the algorithm decides. When I started the Virtual Reality Show as a YouTube series, I've always had bigger plans in mind. I've always seen the Virtual Reality Show as an immersive entertainment network in the mid to long-term future, and I've spent a lot of time reflecting on my content recently during this little break and realized that this priority is what I'm truly passionate about and want to pursue. I don't really see myself as solely a VTuber or content creator. YouTube content is my stepping stone, a launching pad to gain experience and establish myself as a leader in the VR space. I feel so proud of starting this thriving community made up of each and every single one of you. The Virtual Reality Show is a place where we all fall in love with the virtual world again and again, every single video. My channel definitely expanded from just TVRS early on. I started making the tutorial videos I've become well known for, as well as dabbling in the funny moment Twitch highlights videos that lean more on the side of classic VTuber content. I thought that by rebranding to just PHIA, I could expand to all types of content as a creator to further my reach of inspiring as many people as possible. This was a mistake. Instead, what I've done is divide up my audience into distinct categories that pick and choose specific videos of mine as they come out, rather than eagerly awaiting each and every new video. In addition to this, I started to lose touch with my original goals of even starting a YouTube channel in the first place, and that really dragged me down. My channel is still growing at an impressive rate, don't get me wrong. I'm ecstatic to have what I have. You guys have stayed by my side for the entire ride. But I really lost sight of my end goals for a while this year, and that burned me out. I'm sure you noticed that I haven't been putting out many videos recently, and I've been on a small content break as far as video making goes, because frankly, grinding out weekly videos takes a huge mental effort and leaves little room for self-reflection that I've needed to get on track with my goals. Although I haven't been posting much content or streaming a lot, I've been hammering down and working myself to exhaustion by re-strategizing my game plan, including catching up on personal responsibility, self-care that I've been neglecting. Oh, and in the last 3 months, I've taken 8 trips, most of which were directly VR related. I've been reading, exploring, learning, talking, and thinking hard about everything, and I feel like I've finally come to a solid game plan of what's next for my personal journey and what's next for my company. And I could ask for nothing more than for you to join this adventure alongside of me. For right now, the first step is revisiting the original TVRS name for my channel and taking away the expanded PHIA content. It honestly hurts to say no more tutorial videos because I love them. But I only have so much energy and time, and I need to be spending that energy on what's furthering me towards my long-term goals and what I believe is my life's main mission. Sharing the magic of VR with you. I've settled down on the 3 main pillars of what the Virtual Reality Show's goals are: educate, entertain, inspire. Immersive media has yet to be fully explored, and I want to invest every ounce of my being into making big leaps that truly bring the power of VR and XR into the hands of everybody to enjoy. There's gonna be some major turbulence along this adventure, but boy, am I ready to put in whatever it takes, even if there are huge failures in the process, to make this happen. It's my calling, after all. It's honestly a little embarrassing to change my channel name and then change it back, but I'm definitely still learning, and I can promise that I've taken a good amount of time making sure that I am on the right track. Your favorite half-real, half-virtual girl, PHIA, is still here to stay, and there will be some personal content relating to me here and there as needed. Following my Twitter is the best way to stay up to date with me and TVRS updates in general, but hopefully PHIA won't be the only face of TVRS in the near future, as my goal of total expansion from YouTube into the virtual world truly begins. I've got new videos in the works for Tundra trackers, VR chat mutes, omnidirectional treadmills, and so much more. Sub and turn on notifications to know right away when each one does come out. Content that doesn't fit on my main channel anymore, like vlogs or funny extras, will be posted to my brand new second channel, so go give that a sub as well. I also stream on Twitch, so if you want to hang out with me on a personal level, then that is the place to be. Most of you haven't made it to the end of this video, so for those of you who really do care about what I'm doing, thank you. A great way to help me achieve these goals that I've got is by joining my Patreon. It allows me to spend more time doing what I do. Anyways, it's time to start a new era and look forward with bright eyes towards our virtual future together. I'm PHIA, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Special thanks to this month's Patreon members and virtual VIPs: Black Amethyst, David Lowery, Diamond, Klukale, Mr. Cheerio, Scoremauer.